Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. That was kind of crazy. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, I've already done my brows. I'm so excited. Lights are on, camera is charged, my makeup is all set out. Let's have some fun. If you're new here, my name is Shanice Juma. I'm 23 years old. I'm a beauty lifestyle travel enthusiast in general, and that's the type of content that I create. I'm 23 years old. I think I already said that. I'm Kenyan. I live in the Netherlands, and anything else you'd like to know, please check out my Get to Know Me video. Please keep on watching, subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Hi guys, so I'm blending in this P. Louise Makeup Base Pro on my eyes, and I put quite a bit of it, and I thought it was just going to be an eye look, but then I'm spreading it around now because I realized I want to do something way more with it. So keep on watching. I'm going to use this P. Louise Feed Black, and I don't know this. I would just like to say that this was not the initial plan. Okay, a lot has happened in the past few hours that has landed us where we are currently, and the first thing we're going to do is take one of the brushes that I washed and did not let dry, and therefore it is bent out of shape. I'm going to take that and this black. Let me just show you, because I feel like I don't know how to explain what I want to do very well. Oh, actually no, it's paint, it's not a primer, so this should come away, because I was wondering why it's looking kind of gray, but then I realized it's because of the P. Louise base underneath. So we're just going to keep blending. That's the key here through all of this, is blending. Like I said, this was not the plan for today, but I just feel like I need to be a bit more creative with my YouTube. Like I need to put in a bit more of my creativity, and I know I can, and that's the reason why I got all this like professional stuff. I have spent quite a bit of money to get all this together, so bro. So I'm going in between these two, and I know they're glittery, but they're the exact. I dipped my finger into Zomia a bit. It's the exact shade of purple blue that I'm looking for, so we are just gonna get over it. The fact that it's shining. So in this next stage, I'm going to introduce pink in the shade Bori from the Masquerade Mini Palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm also going to be mixing that with the neon pink pigment powders that I got from Makeup Armada Cosmetics. At this point, I'm going to be going back and forth between the pink and the purple to build the kind of color gradient that I would like. So feel free to watch this as you're doing something else, but make sure you tune in at the end around the 8-minute mark when we reveal the final look. I've been doing this series of sky related makeup looks on my Instagram, and I just wanted to record at least one for my YouTube channel because I've been feeling very inspired by the heavens and also just missing my home skyline, because let me not lie, we have the best sunsets, and not just Kenya in general but Kitengela where I live. It's dusty, so the dust makes for a very beautiful orange African sunset, and I hope to show it to you guys one day. My thing with these makeup looks is they're not very tutorial friendly, so they're more you watch and enjoy watching rather than trying to replicate the exact same thing. So what I do think I will be doing with this type of videos moving forward will be voiceovers. I am going to try and record one more sky or stars related video and try and play around with the voiceovers and editing to see how best to do or start this particular creative journey of doing more, abstract and creative type of looks. For example, my next look after the skies is going to be spring, so flowers, garden, butterflies. It's going to be very exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see it. The primer had started to crease, so I had to fix it, and then now I'm going back in.
Six and a half hours later.